Lots of you guys are wondering that how to start analyzing market. Whenever you see a chart and you always wonder that where could this chart go next? What could be the market direction? Whenever you try to analyze a market, always start with a bigger time frame. The bigger the time frame is, the more accurate market is going to be, because the bigger the time frame is, manipulation is going to be very less in a bigger time frame. Welcome back to the Face of Failure. It's Ravi here. Today I'm going to talk about how to analyze a market and where could market go for the next week. Today is the 21st June, and here I have opened a gold chart. As you can see, it's a weekly time frame of gold, and market is in a downtrend. Now, how to identify downtrend? Simple things. In weekly candle, it does not take out the previous lower high. Every candle is making a new lower low. So any previous high is not broken. That means market is in a downtrend. Now first, mark down the previous lower low. It's somewhere around this area. Now to see a clarity, let's switch to a daily time frame. The same thing is happening in daily time frame. You will see it is currently going in a downtrend because that's a previous lower high. That is one more lower high, one more lower high, one more lower high, and it's continuously going down, making the steps, and any of the steps did not break. That means market is continuously going in a downtrend. Whenever you start trading any market, what could be the best strategy? Always go with the trend. Even if you are a reversal trader and you are trying to catch reversal trade, still you need to go with the trend. So here I am not going to make any buying trend unless and until it takes out this previous lower high. Whenever market will break this high, then I will think about buying trend. Until then, I will always start to find a selling trend. This is a weekly and daily low, and this level is going to work as a very important support zone. Now when market will open on Sunday, there are three possibilities of that. If it will open a gap up somewhere around this area, then it will go sideways in that range. If it's open the same area where it closed, then we will see that market will see a downtrend momentum from there. It will try to break this support area, and then you will see a little bit buying momentum, but first you will see a selling momentum for sure, at least 50 to 60 points. If it opens gap down, then first it will try to go down, and then you will see a little bit buying momentum. So that's how all three scenarios is going to work out for the next week. My plan for the next week is going to be very, very simple. If it opens on the same spots where it closed, and then it try to break this support and give a buying momentum, after that buying momentum, I will start finding my selling setups and will hold for a bigger target, because I am not going to buy in a selling market. As you can see, it's continuously going down. So the best strategy in any selling market is try to find a buying momentum and sell from there. Any resistance or any previous lower high, or try to find any selling setups that's working for you and sell from that area. It is always advisable to go with the trend. Never go against the trend. If you see the daily time frame, if you see weekly time frame, and if you see the hourly time frame, that's all are saying to that it's in a downtrend, then it is not advisable to go for buying. Always try to find selling when you see a buying momentum in a selling market. Something like this. When market was coming down, you see a buying momentum and try to find a, because here it was a resistance, so try to find a selling setup from this area always, because then you will see a big momentum like this. If you want to capture a very big momentum, then always go with the trend. If you go against the trend, then you still be successful, but the momentum will not be big enough. If you see the selling momentum like this, selling momentum, it's very big, but the buying, it's not that much big compared to the selling momentum. If you would like to make money, that would be it for today. In my next video, I will try to share a live trade and some strategies, how I trade, how I manage my emotions during the trade. The phase of failure is all about, you could be failed so many times. You could fail every day. You could fail in life. You could fail in everything. But you will still have that courage to get back up and start working on your strategy, start working on your discipline, mental strength, and then start kicking off the things from there. Failure is not the end. It is an opportunity to learn about something that you were not good enough at. You failed because you didn't know. You failed because you were not good enough in that strategy. But it doesn't mean that you could never be good enough for this. if you keep learning and never give up, then you could make it happen. And I will show you how. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.